Is your 2014 F-150's alarm randomly going off? Let's pinpoint the cause. The most common culprits are the door ajar sensor, hood latch switch, key fob, and battery issues. First, visually inspect all doors to ensure they are fully closed. A misaligned door can trigger the door ajar sensor, which is a magnetic switch in the door jamb. Next, check the hood latch switch under the hood for moisture or damage. These switches often corrode, especially in humid climates, sending false signals. A weak key fob battery can also cause issues. Try replacing it. Finally, a low vehicle battery, below 12.4 volts, can lead to erratic body control module (BCM) behavior, which controls the alarm system. Use a multimeter to test your battery's voltage. Knowing these common causes will guide you to the right solution. For door ajar sensors, start by adjusting the striker plate to ensure proper alignment, or clean the switch with WD-40 to remove any debris. If the hood latch switch is faulty, replace it with parts available at auto parts stores like AutoZone. For key fob issues, reprogramming at a Ford dealership might be necessary if a new battery doesn't solve the problem. If the battery is the issue, check the voltage and charge or replace it to ensure it stays above 12.4 volts. If simple fixes don't work, the BCM may need reprogramming using Ford's Technical Service Bulletin TSB 1535 and IDS software. This often requires a professional. If the problem persists after these steps, contact a Ford dealer for further assistance. Remember to document all attempts in apps like FordPass.